Flipping houses for beginners. In this video, we're going to talk about the resources and tools that you need to get in the game. Now there's something that we call the real estate investor's toolbox. Inside of your toolbox, you want to make sure that you have access to the right tools, the right people, and connections so that you can find the best deals and also streamline your rehab projects. Now our toolbox, we have a lot of different softwares that we use to find these off-market real estate deals. But we also leverage people inside of our network. We created a Discord group where we network with real estate investors from across the country. Not only do we talk about best practices and show a proven framework, we give you the blueprint to get in the house flipping game and start building more consistent revenue inside of your business. You also want to have access to contractors. Without a good contractor, if you're rehabbing a house, you're never going to get it to the finish line. I never do any of the work myself. In fact, I'm the furthest thing from a handyman that you will ever see. But one thing that I've been good at is finding the right people who have the tools and the knowledge for the job. Real estate agents can also be a major play inside of your real estate business. Not only agents have access to the MLS, but they also have a pulse on the local area. So anytime that there's any fixer-upper houses that somebody needs to sell, you want to be top of mind. Real estate wholesalers are also a huge key. Now, if you don't know what a wholesaler is, a real estate wholesaler is an investor who has mastered the art of finding off-market and discounted real estate deals. Once they locate these real estate deals, they turn around and they sell it to real estate investors and flippers like you, where you can get great opportunities and they make a small little fee. Next stage in the game is financing. If you don't have your own cash, getting in alignment with a group of lending partners is going to help you take down more real estate deals and you can start to build your business from the ground up. So if you want to get in the game and you want to learn the roadmap, we'd love to see you inside of our Discord group where we show you from A to Z how to get started flipping. I'll see you there.